Good morning. Some of you are going to be getting some folder games home today that are going to help your child with some skills. It might be the 1, 2, 3s and their shapes, or it might be the alphabet and their sounds. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. At the beginning, you're going to have a not yet pocket. And in the not yet pocket are the things that your child may be struggling with. Not all of them. Some of them may be things that they can whip right through. And that's good because we want them to experience success. But some of them will be harder. When you open it up, you'll see there's Velcro. So you're going to open it up. And inside, you'll see there are pockets, okay? So in the first pocket, I have placed 5 numbers and 2 shapes. They are typically going to be numbers your child is struggling with. Some kids that were a little bit hesitant on their numbers, I put in ones that they already know just for the practice. So what you're going to do on day 1 is have your child say the numbers and shapes that are in the pocket. So rectangle, okay, you got that right? That's going to go to the pocket 2. Square, great job. That's going to go to pocket 2. 22. Uh-oh, we missed that one. Because we missed it, it's going to stay in pocket 1. Okay. 14, we know that one, so that's going to go to pocket 2. 13, almost, but not quite. So we're going to correct them. We're going to say, no, that's a 13. Let's say it together. 13. A 13 is a 1 and a 3. We're going to put it back in. You can also have them trace them with your fingers. 15. Okay, we're seeing a trend. They know the ones where they can just add the number, but when they actually have to change the word, they don't get it. And 21. Okay, so we're moving that in. So now in my pocket, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 2 here. You can take these ones out and work with them a little bit. Let's practice these. Okay, this is an 11. A lot of times what I do is put them out and I'll say touch them, touch the 11, touch the 13, touch the 12, touch the 15. Then I'll mix them up together and see if they can say them again. Okay, so you want to practice these a little bit, but they still stay in pocket 1 because they did not fluently get them out of the pocket. All right, so then you put your game away and you come to day 2. Day 2, you're going to start with the furthest one along. He's going to pull them out and he's going to say 14, square, flat square. Uh-oh, that's not a flat square, that's a rectangle. If they miss it, it's going all the way back down to pocket 1 because the goal is by the time they get to pocket 6, they have correctly said the answer 6 times in a row. This has given them mastery of that item. So after we do the furthest part cut along, we pull this one out. So today he says 22. Uh-oh, still not right. 11, he gets this one right. It's moving into here. 13, yes. 15, back here. And rectangle goes back in. There's only 3 in here. So today I'm going to pull 2 more out of my not yet pocket. And I'm going to add them in because we want to keep a challenge going. So I would pull them out and add them in. And I would practice them. Pull them out again and practice pocket number 1. Next day, you start with the furthest one along. Square and 14. He's moving along with those 2. He gets 13 right today. He gets 11 right today. Today he gets rectangle right. Today he gets 15 right. 22, still missing that 12. I only have 1 in here now. I'm going to pull 4 out of the other pocket. Do you see how that works? Keep moving. Once they get to pocket number 6, on day 7, when they get it right, you turn it over and you place it into the look what I know pocket. Practice these ones periodically because yes, they know them, but they might need a little bit of additional help. So practice them periodically. You will be using these types of pocket games for letters, sounds. As you're practicing your letters, you should also be practicing your sounds, and numbers and shapes, okay? Don't forget every night to mix them up, because believe it or not, if you keep them in the same order, they will memorize the order. They are smart little buggers. All right. So these are coming home with some of your families tonight, and you're going to be working on those. And this is kind of how homework is going to be working this year. It's going to be folder pockets, things like that, that kind of make it a little bit more fun for the kids. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope these work out great.